Oh, you want to get fucked up? You want to get...
Oh, no, 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 no.
Chú khờ lưới à?
Cứu mẹ.
what you have. Garbage. Let me see. Ew.
Oh my goodness. He likes the baby rub. Oh, hello. Hello.
У нас, окрім лисички, ось ще ось такий пасажир.
That's weird. Nah, no Winston around here.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh my god! He ate my ice cream cone! Are you... Hey, Steven!
Despite his criminal mind, this man is behaving well. His reward is the canoe.
I do feel better now. Thank you.
Yeah, I think so.
Terrenator, el coche más poderoso que ha existido, con tracción 4x4 y 2 turbomotores.
Смотрите, спать в час дня. Кит! Поднялся, пошел жить жизнь. Что ты ха...
Hi. Oh my god! No, no, please get off. No, no. Hi. Рот-то закрой.
Really?
No. Yes, you're very cute. Please don't scratch. No. Casi te ahogué. ¿No hubiese estado yo?
Where's Rick?
Hello, this is my house. This is Satana. He's my friend.
Dumb dog, the f***ing cat, and the damn dog. Sick of telling people. There's the damn dog. There's the f***ing cat.
It's like the thing from Illinois.
A scientist. Thank God. Get us out of here before those military drones figure out where we're hiding.
Cooking for dinner.
Lasagna.
You like lasagna?
Crush it, melt it, cakeify it, explode it, squish it.
Coco, get out of there.
Alexa.
Why are you doing this?
It's Miranda time! Direttamente da Vienna. No vabbè. La Soccer. Torta.
가자.
What? NANI?!
你怎么摔跤了？
过来这个。
长得你呀，我给你做辅助。卷吧，卷，哎呀，
发现这是装的。
哎呦我的妈！
你不是愿意浪吗？赶紧出去浪去！
有人。
救命！
有人。
Tiki 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 tak tak tak. Tiki tiki.
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share a heartwarming story with you titled, Bun, the Golden Cat with the Tiny Charm. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Of course, if it's not your style, feel free to skip it, No hard feelings. Now, let's begin the story. Bun is not just any ordinary cat. He is a golden bundle of fur, with a coat that looks like the warm color of sunlit sand. His fur shines when the sunlight pours through the window, and sometimes I joke that Bun doesn't need electricity. He is his own source of light. What makes him even more adorable is the small charm on his collar, a little silver bell that jingles every time he moves. At first, I bought the charm only because it looked cute. I thought it would make Bun seem more stylish, like a little feline fashion icon strutting around the house. But the charm turned out to be more than just an accessory. It became a soundtrack to our daily adventures. Whenever I hear the cheerful ting-ting sound, I know exactly where Bun is. If he's sneaking into the kitchen to inspect what's cooking, I hear the bell. If he's climbing onto the couch to curl up next to me, I hear the bell. Sometimes, though, the sound stops suddenly, and that's when I know Bun is up to mischief. Imagine a little detective game every day. Find Bun before he knocks over the flower vase. And yes, I have lost this game more times than I'd like to admit. What fascinates me most is how Bun seems to understand that the bell makes him noticeable. Sometimes he walks proudly with his head high, shaking the charm as if announcing to the whole house, "Yes, I am Bun, and I am fabulous." Other times, when he tries to stalk me playfully, he gets frustrated because the bell ruins his dramatic sneak attack. I laugh every time he gives me that disappointed look, as if to say, "Why did you betray me, tiny jingly thing?" One particular afternoon, Bun and I were both in high spirits. The weather was perfect, the sun gently warmed the room, and a soft breeze came through the open window. It was the kind of day that makes you want to stretch lazily, yawn a little too loudly, and then suddenly jump into a burst of energy. Bun, of course, decided it was the perfect time to play. I dangled a piece of string in front of him, and instantly his eyes widened. His whole body tensed, his tail flicked like a metronome, and his ears pointed forward with determination. With one swift leap, he pounced. The little bell around his neck jingled wildly, making the whole scene look like a comedy sketch. 1 second, Bun was a fierce hunter in his imagination. The next, he was a clown with a musical soundtrack. We chased each other around the room. I waved the string high in the air, and Bun jumped like a golden acrobat, sometimes missing the string and tumbling onto the rug in the funniest way possible. He never gave up, though. His persistence was admirable. No matter how many times he failed, he kept trying again with even more enthusiasm. At one point, he landed on my lap, and the sudden ting from his collar made us both freeze for a moment before I burst into laughter. The game escalated when Bun decided to run full speed across the room, making the bell ring like a tiny alarm clock on fast forward. I swear it sounded like he was carrying his own background music. Each jingle matched his movements: a hop, a roll, a pounce, a victorious shake of his head when he caught the string for 2 glorious seconds. Then, of course, he lost it again. By the end of the afternoon, Bun was sprawled out on the floor, his chest rising and falling like a tiny drum. The bell was silent now, resting against his golden fur. He looked both proud and exhausted, his big eyes blinking slowly as if to say, "That was fun. Let's do it again tomorrow." As I watched Bun drift into his nap, I couldn't help but think about the little lessons hidden in our playful moments. Bun, with his tiny collar and golden fur, teaches me more than I expect. His bell reminds me of presence, how important it is to be noticed, to make your presence known, not by being loud or demanding, but by simply being yourself. Bun never tries to be anything other than what he is: a curious, playful, sometimes clumsy, but always lovable cat. The way he plays also reminds me of resilience. Bun misses the string dozens of times, but he never gives up. Every failure is just another chance to pounce again. If humans approached life with the same playful determination, maybe we'd be less afraid of mistakes and more willing to try new things. Bun doesn't sit around worrying about whether he looks silly. He just leaps, tumbles, and leaps again. And somehow, that makes him all the more charming. Even the sound of the bell carries a lesson. It is a gentle reminder that no matter how sneaky we try to be in life, our actions always leave a trace. Just like Bun's little charm jingles with every step, our choices make ripples that others can notice. Instead of seeing that as a burden, maybe we should embrace it, because sometimes the world needs to hear our jingle, our unique contribution. In the end, Bun isn't just my pet. He is a golden teacher wrapped in fur, wearing a tiny bell that sings his presence. Every day with him is a mixture of comedy and comfort, a reminder that joy can be found in the simplest of games and wisdom in the softest of paws. As Bun curls up next to me, the faint sound of his charm resting against the floor, I smile. Life feels a little brighter, a little softer, and a lot more meaningful with Bun by my side. Life with Bun reminds us that joy often hides in the simplest things, like a game of string or the soft sound of a tiny bell. In today's fast-paced world, we often measure success by productivity, status, or wealth, forgetting that happiness can also be found in small, playful moments. Bun's endless attempts to catch the string mirror the challenges we face daily, whether in our careers, relationships, or personal goals. He fails repeatedly, tumbles awkwardly, but never quits. That persistence, combined with his light-hearted spirit, offers a lesson. It's okay to stumble, laugh at yourself, and try again. In fact, approaching setbacks with humor and resilience often makes the journey more rewarding than the destination. The bell on Bun's collar is another metaphor for life. Our actions always leave an impression, even when we don't notice it ourselves. Instead of hiding or trying to be perfect, we should embrace our unique jingle, our authentic presence in the world. Modern life pressures us to be flawless, but Bun shows that being genuine, playful, and resilient is far more meaningful. If we carry that spirit into our daily routines, we might discover that life feels lighter, warmer, and more fulfilling.